Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to replace the tail light on my Toyota Tundra. So this is the truck right there. We're going to replace the tail light with an aftermarket tail light. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so these are the new tail lights. On it, getting it back together. Yep, I had put some lights on the side. I had put this guy here, and I got the box here. That's what's gonna sit here. And yeah, basically, I'm moving out of my apartment, and I needed a trailer to carry all these cars. So yeah. Let's get onto the video and so we can start moving. Okay guys, so I'm using a T50 socket, and then this is the screws for the tail light. They are here, one here and one here. So let's try to get them out. So we got the screws out, 1, 2. So now the tail light, you can wiggle it. So basically what you're gonna do, you wanna come here, you're gonna pull on this side like that. You come here, you do that, because you only have those two little pins that's holding it there. So once you do that, you should be able to just pull it out. And in my case, I can remove the light bulbs, but what I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm just gonna twist it, pull all the bulbs out, and after that I can go under the car, and I can go under the car after that. Okay, so if you guys look here, this is the wiring for the light. So we're gonna undo it here, and we can be able to pull it out. Okay, so I just got the wire unplugged. And it should be the same thing. What we'll do, we'll drop the wire there, and then we're gonna align those two together. Alright, so we're going to align those, match it with the hole, same for the bottom, and put it in. Make sure it's fully in. And we can start screwing down. Put the screw on it and start. Okay, this is the tail light now, guys. That's what the tail light looks like. And this is an after. Before and after. Okay, so that's what we got the wheel of the truck, and this is the running light on both sides. So looks like. And when you put the truck on reverse, and this is when you put the truck on reverse. You got the reverse slide comes on both sides. So let me stop on the truck on the top of the trailer so you guys can see what it looks like. Just like that. Yeah. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.